Hey folks, and welcome to this premium analysis of Bitcoin versus the American dollar. Okay, so there's a lot of speculation about where Bitcoin is heading, and the CEO of Kraken has even stated that he is going to buy a Bugatti with one Bitcoin by the end of the year. But this is not going to happen, and this is why. So if we focus on the chart, not what we want to see, but what price is doing, you can see here that we had this very important area of demand here. It was tested several times. And this is the area of demand from which price rallied to these very, very high prices of around $66,000. And now it's gone. Okay, price came down. We reacted at a child, which is down here somewhere. We had a small reaction there. And we sold off, distributed a little bit, sold off. And then we did the distribution dance on top of this demand. And then we removed it. That is a really, really big deal. What that means is that we have trouble moving through. We had no trouble moving through this. So this area of demand is removed by this supply here. This is a very wide area of supply. Okay, and we spoke about this one down here, demand, a long time ago. I was speaking about this with my friends here in Bali, about this area here, to watch it. Price is coming down, but we're not rebalancing this price inefficiency here. This is a liquidity void. There is a very thin liquidity in this price point here, so price should easily rebalance. In other words, price should easily move back up to the origin of this move if there was even a little bit of buying. But we're not seeing that at all. We're seeing a huge liquidity void, and then price is just having a difficult time moving higher. That's telling me that we are not going to go north from here just yet. But what I think is going to happen is I think we are going to see price continue to wriggle a little bit lower. We had this area here, which was tested and removed by something in here, just around here. So I think the price is very likely going to come down to around this price point, the 14,000, or even somewhere around here. This is about the $8,000 price point. Okay, so there are two areas to keep an eye on, and I think we will do that once we price inefficiency. Normally when you see 2-3 of those, then price normally starts to go higher. But we don't have the third one in play yet. You don't have to have 3, but they often come in threes. And so I think that we will have another push lower into this area here, or this one here. Okay, and we're probably not going to go below that because we had this little price module just here. Price came back to it, so this has already been rebalanced, which is good. Price came up, sideways up, slingshot, we moved high, and so we have actually rebalanced many of these areas around here. The one we still need to do is this one just here around $14,000. If we look at it, there's also another one here which is a little bit lower, this one here. Okay, so I'm thinking that price will probably come down to these here within the next who knows how long, but price will likely come down here before it continues moving north. Good, well, I'm going to leave it at that. Have any questions, let me know. Thanks.